Okay, so we have a question that says differentiate y equal to log 1 plus x base a. Now, the method we are going to use to solve this problem is what we call the chain rule, okay? This is what we're going to use to solve it, the chain rule. Okay, chain rule. Okay, so let's go. We are given y equal to log 1 plus x base a. Now the first thing we're going to say is let u be equal to this function, that is the antecedent of the log, okay, 1 plus x. And since we are having u and x here, we're going to differentiate u with respect to x, so which is du dx. And if we differentiate this gives us 1. Okay, now let's come back again. Remember, we say u is equal to 1 plus x, which means that the implication it has on this y is that this u will be replacing this, so which means that our y becomes log u base a. And the same thing also, since we're having y and u as the variables here, we're going to differentiate the y du. Okay, and if you differentiate this from our standard logarithm, that is 1 over u log e base a. Okay, now let's state our chain rule now. So we're going to recall or state the chain rule, which says that the y dx is equal to du dx times dy du. So let's go. The y dx, what we're looking for, so our du dx now, this is our du dx, we've gotten it here as 1 times dy du, which is 1 over u log e base a, and when we times them together, that gives us 1 over u log e base a. And of course, we are going to replace back this value of u here. Our u is 1 plus x log e base a. And so this is the solution to this problem. So we have solved this using the chain rule. I hope you got value from this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this and follow this page. Bye.